If you're a veteran watching this video, first of all, thank you for your service. Thank you for your service. Thank you for serving. If you were honorably discharged, then you actually qualify for the VA loan, which is a fantastic option for you. And you served your country. It's time to actually get something more tangible. Right now, you can get a house and there's no down payment, right? So the VA is awesome for folks because, again, you don't have to come up with money for a down payment. And also the big thing that's the biggest benefit is that there's no mortgage insurance. So your payments are going to be cheaper than what they would be using an FHA loan or a conventional loan if you had to pay, if you put less than 20% down. It's 100% financing and there's no mortgage insurance. So you're going to save money. Who doesn't like to save money? Everyone likes to save money, right? So it's perfect for that. Now, they do charge a funding fee. They do charge a funding fee, and the amount that they charge it really depends on if you've ever used your benefits before or not, and also if you are disabled. So typically if you've never used the benefit before, they're gonna charge 2.15%. It's gonna be financed in. So that is a cost that they roll in to the loan, similar to what we talked about, like if you're trying to get a USDA loan, they're gonna roll that in, right? If you've used the benefit before, then that is actually as high as 3.3% that as a recurring, they're gonna roll that in and it's gonna be financed into the loan. Now, if you're watching this video and you're a veteran and you're disabled, right? Let's say you even have just your 10% disabled, that funding fee is waived. So that is with the VA and you served and you got honorably discharged, but you are even partially disabled in any way, then they're gonna waive that fee, right? So that just is an extra benefit to you. It just makes it easier for you to get into the house. So the main thing, and the interest rate too. The interest rates are great with VA loans because it is a government loan. It's insured by the VA. Most investors, they offer fantastic options. So when it comes time to actually find a house and put an offer, we'll negotiate and we'll determine what is going to be the best interest rate for you. But hopefully that answers your questions on what the VA loan is in a nutshell. Do I qualify? What do I need to do? It's super simple. You just we'll get to make sure you've been honorably discharged. We'll get a copy of your DD 214 and we'll process all of that. There's a few things we have to do up front as the lender. We have to look at and get your certificate of eligibility. So we just have to make sure basically that you're honorably discharged. But that's something that we take care of on our end. We hold your hand. We make that super simple. So hopefully that answers any questions you have. And if you do have questions that wasn't answered in this, you want to know something, drop a comment. I read every comment. I would love to hear from you. Let me know what your thoughts are on it. If you're a veteran and you're thinking about getting a house, let me know. We'd love to have a conversation.